Maintenance. We're doing a maintenance vlog. First thing on the agenda is a car wash. I'm here right now. And I already got it on my phone. Don't try to use it because I'm going to use it right now, so it don't really matter. It's not going to work. So. So the first part of this vlog, if y'all haven't noticed already, is we're getting a car wash. Because although we're about to do some maintenance for ourselves, we gotta get the car together, baby. Time for us to go. Okay, y'all, so we're about to clean up the car. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like first, and then we'll see what it looked like after. Wow. I should be very embarrassed, but I swear I'm not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, y'all, I'm all finished and I feel so accomplished. This looks amazing. Yeah, I cleaned that floor, didn't I? Yeah. These two. Vacuum. Put the purse back there. Clean this off. You know. Yeah. That rum. We're gonna put these new things I got on here. These are cherry blossom honey, and I'm gonna use 2. And that, my friends, is how you know you cleaned your car. We're gonna throw away the other ones, pat ourselves on the back, and go get a treat because we did that, ladies. Yeah. City girls up 1,000. Yep. Y'all, I'm so proud of us for cleaning out the car. Y'all proud of us? I'm proud of us. Are y'all so proud that we can go to Starbucks?
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't care. We're going anyway. We're going to Starbucks. And, oh, they opened up a new crumbl. Let's try a crumbl cookie. You know, that's a part of our upkeeping. A snack. When we do something that we're proud of, you know what I mean? So, snack it is. Okay, y'all, it is super packed in Starbucks. I'm not even in there, but I can see out the window, and it's a lot of people. I'm about to get this drink that I made yesterday. It was so good that I can't stop drinking it. So, that's what we're about to get. Oh my God.
Shot tree with the Draco on the North got Diego.
Talking tonight, praying nothing. It must be an event going on or something. They got the streets blocked off. It's too much going on. I don't know. Oh, the Brinks truck out here, y'all. The Brinks. Yeah, I've been feeling like I've been scratching my palm all day. I've been scratching my palm all day. Y'all, in about a year, because we go here so much, in about a year, they're going to sponsor us. No doubt about it. No doubt in my mind, we're getting sponsored. Mark my words, 1 year from today. Okay, we left H&M. It took me about 20-ish minutes, not a long time, and I literally went in and got what I was supposed to with the help of my friend because I be doing too much. I'm not showing y'all what I got because I'm wearing it tomorrow and I'm vlogging tomorrow. So now I'm about to start the like maintenance stuff. And continues. We deserve another treat because we went and did exactly what we said we was gonna do. So we about to go to crumbl. And then we're gonna get our car looked at. And then we'll do the fun thing. But I don't even know what I'm about to say, but let's go get the crumbl. What y'all think I'm gonna get from crumbl? Don't cheat. Comment what y'all think I'm gonna get from crumbl. This week they got orange dreamsicle, chocolate chip, of course, blueberry jam, oatmeal cream pie. And just because I got all excited do not mean that's what I'm getting. But those are flavors, and what y'all think I'm about to get. And I'll give y'all a hint. I had orange sickle yesterday, so I'm not getting it again. As much as I love oatmeal, I'm just not a fan of that. Y'all but they about to say, welcome to crumbl.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loop.
Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I know it's dark outside. A lot has happened since we last saw each other. After the facial, me and my friend went and got tacos. I don't know how I didn't get any footage from that. That's my fault. I apologize. But I do remember that I showed y'all that I went to crumbl and I had the cookies mixed up. But whatever one I thought was blueberry jam is the one I got. It's actually lemon blackberry. So I don't even know if I'm going to like it the same. But I'm sitting in this drive-thru line and I swear I'm not getting full. I just really want a cooler from Culver's. If you know, you know. That's all I need to say. You know what I'm saying? So all right, let's see if I like this. This is lemon blackberry. It's what I thought was blueberry jam. Can y'all see why? Like, but let's try it. Hey, like this girl try these cookies every day. Whoa. This cookie has a lot of stuff going on. And being fairly honest, no. That's just the frost and stuff. Let me see if that's what it is. It got pieces of something in there. Okay. I think the frosting is good. That stuff is good. I think the cookie is nasty. I think it's a cookie. Individually, it's all decent. Except the cookie. I don't like the cookie. I don't know. That's probably like a 3 out of 10. That's being generous. I don't like it. That ain't the one. I mean, I need this cooler to wash this down because that really was nasty. I don't like that. That was nasty. That was nasty. I had the orange dreamsicle one yesterday. That slapped hard. That's whoever made it needs to be slapped hard. That's all I got to say about it.
We're going to pretend we didn't hear that.
I'm in it. Y'all, this line is so long. This the latest closing Culver's. Like, it closed every day at 11. And the line always long. But I really want a cooler. And I really don't want to take no more disappointment today. Like, that disappointment would be too close. Like, the cookie was nasty, and then I don't want them to tell me they don't got a cooler. So, fingers crossed. I'm ready to go to bed. But I want to drink my cooler. before I go to bed. But I'm ready to go to bed. Okay, y'all. So I'm really irritated and annoyed because I said in the video that was gonna happen. Apparently the ice cream machine's down for the day, and apparently lemon ice is considered ice cream. So no cooler tonight. I am just disturbed and disgusted right now. And yeah, so that's how we're ending the night. Sucks to suck, but we suck. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I'm pulling up to the house now. See y'all in the next real video.
Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo.